2 days after the Supreme Court held that only judges will appoint judges, striking down the law that would have given executive a role in the appointments, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley took to Facebook to voice his opposition to the move. Coming down heavily on the apex court's verdict, Jaitley said Indian democracy cannot be a tyranny of the unelected and it would be in danger if the elected are undermined. Comparing judgment to a 9 p.m. television debate, Jaitley contended politician bashing is the key behind striking down of National Judicial Appointment Commission. The key rationale, he said, behind the majority opinion appears to be independence of judiciary is an essential ingredient of the basic structure of the Constitution. I earlier spoke to Congress leader Manish Tiwari on this, and this is what he had to say.
Finance Minister in private conversations had used the same language with regard to the Aam Aadmi Party 3 or 4 years back. So he is only regurgitating that phrase and using it in a different context. The Finance Minister is absolutely wrong. There, the Supreme Court of India, way back in 1973, in Keshavanand Bharati's case, had laid down the doctrine of the basic structure of the Constitution. And the doctrine of the basic structure clearly delineates and underscores that one of the basic features of the Constitution is the independence of the judiciary. And on that touchstone, the Supreme Court has quashed the constitutional amendment. Parliament is not the only institution in the country. The entire edifice of democracy is underpinned by the doctrine of checks and balances. So therefore, just because the legislature has unanimously come to a certain conclusion, that essentially does not make it right. And that is what the Supreme Court has said.